Hi Populist, Steve here, your engagement cultivator, with a friendly reminder that we're getting close to our quarterly company-wide Teams call. This is such a cool, special part of what we do here at Populist. If you've never been on one of these calls, I gotta tell you, I expect everyone to be here, but especially you who've never been on this call before. So what is this? It's a 1-hour call that everyone in the company gets on, and we just take a moment, pause, and share an hour of space. We come together, celebrate our victories, talk about those challenges. We'll have an opportunity even to talk about any personal or professional bests you would like to share if you're comfortable, right? We have that set up. We have a time that we get to hear from our president. We have an opportunity, we could talk about some safety tips. We get to learn a little bit about some employees. We get to do all kinds of fun things. And we're gonna pay you for your time. It is such a cool opportunity to just, like I said, take a breath and celebrate who we are here at Populist, right? A quality partner. So I expect to see everyone on this call. When do you say this call is gonna be? It's gonna be Thursday, August 21st at 6:30 p.m. Again, Thursday, August 21st at 6:30 p.m. And I expect to see everyone on this call. As we get closer to that the date, we'll send out a one-click email to get you right on, right? We're gonna pay you for your time, and I'm gonna give away some free giveaways, right? Some Visa gift cards at the end of the call, just for being a part of the call. So I expect to see everyone on it. Again, August 21st, Thursday. All right, talk to you later. Bye.